Welcome to a location that is not only in close contact with nature, but which also has all the benefits of one of the main hubs of the central Bohemian region. The Rezidence Na Veselé apartments offer high-quality and peaceful accommodation in the picturesque surroundings of an 18-hole golf course bordered by the untouched forests of Brdy and Krivoklat, as well as the royal town of Beroun and its historical centre with numerous pubs and restaurants serving excellent food. Apartment owners can enjoy resort facilities such as the clubhouse, the family restaurant with Czech and international cuisine, the club and the hotel. The wellness centre offers 2 jacuzzis, a sauna, massage parlour, gym and an outdoor pool. The clubhouse also includes a conference hall and executive club for private meetings or celebrations. Security services are also included. The second phase of construction will present a modern apartment building with the guarantee of personal space, privacy, a unique layout, and an exceptional connection with nature. This Rezidence Na Veselé apartment building was designed by renowned architect Václav Aulický, who also designed the first phase. The positioning of each and every apartment has been very carefully thought out and planned so as to allow not only the most beautiful views of the forests, the countryside and the golf course, but also to maximize sunlight. The main advantage of the nearby town of Beroun is its civic amenities, offering a wide range of schools, all manner of services, and rich cultural and sporting facilities. You will also find a number of interesting cycle paths along the Berounka River. These will eventually bring you to the royal castles of Karlstein, Točník, Nižbor, and Krivoklat. This location is characterized by its excellent connections to Prague, not only to Zličín but also to Václav Havel Airport. Adapting to the individual needs and requirements of the residents in matters of quality is one of the key principles of the Rezidence Na Veselé resort, where dreams become reality.